I don't know what happened the moment I clicked that accept button from that user's request. It went off. I don't know. So yeah, I was talking about Ethereum, and I'll say, like I was saying, it's based on Russian nationality. Like the origin of Ethereum is Russian, but it's currently working worldwide. So yeah. Okay, so Monero is kind of a currency that helps you being anonymous, helps you to disappear and do the transaction. But there was a coin. I'm not sure if it was Monero or what, but it was a coin that did some kind of error, some like kind of saying scam. I don't know if it'll be a right word to say, but it did kind of a scam, and you know, because how it worked was a guy did a transaction using Monero or some other coin. I don't know the coin name. I'm not sure. You can just fact check it. So he did a transaction, and the moment he did the transaction, the price went low. Like for example, if the guy sent 1 million in Monero coin to some other address, the price went down live right then the time he sent it, did the transaction, and his 1 million turned into, I don't know, 10 or 20 or $100, I don't know, but it was the scam. So I'll say, just check thrice and like twice and thrice before you do some transaction over crypto, because it can be, like I say, there is no medium in between, so it can go two-way. Either it will be successful for you, or either it will make you, like, what's that term, generational debt. So better be careful what you do. I had one watching in the previous live stream. He sent me a request. I accepted it, and my app got, I don't know, it restarted, and it's gone. The live stream ended, and I don't know where it is. Where is it? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Well, let me grab more questions, because I'm full of information and I need someone to hear it. I want people to hear it. Because it'll be, I'll say, I had many profits from crypto, and it'll be like giving back to the community if I can, just give them some insights or the way it works and the technology behind it. So it'll be a good way to like give back to the community, the crypto community. Just for a minute, I'll just grab some questions. Okay, so the question about BTC halving, and it's kind of a good process. It's phenomenal, I'll say, because the time it happens, the crypto just booms, it just go parabolic from the point it is and to the upward, like the sky high direction. So it's kind of a blessing to the crypto thing for this process to occur, because the prices increases for sure, and the profit making skills gets better the once you start generating a big chunks of money from it. So halving, I'll say Halving, in easy words, it is a process where the Bitcoin miners gets a reward fee for mining a block. A block consists of 6 Bitcoin. It used to, now it's 3. So they used to get 6 Bitcoin if they calculated a transaction or a mathematical uh, equation for the blockchain. So in return, they used to get 6 BTC. For now, the amount is around 3.1 BTC. So the halving is a process where the amount the miners are getting reduces to half. And I'm from those lucky days when it used to be 12 and around maybe 30 as far as I remember. In one mining session, 50 coins used to get mined in the very early days. 50 coins means that you would have created a good amount of wealth, and you might had a house till now, right next to the what's his name? What's his name? The richer feller, maybe? Yeah, next to his house, I'll say. So it was the best thing, that is, hard coded into the crypto thing, and it'll just carry on. I don't know. For now, there were news like I was reading, and news was like around last week, and it was supposed to be like it was like the mining is not profitable now because you know uh, there's a term they call it what do they call it? Hash rate. Yeah, it requires a good hash rate to be able to mine one block like 3 BTC, and it is not able to be profitable based on the current price, because the current price was supposed to be high, but it isn't, because there was a bit tension going on in market, as I told you, the Trump thing. But it's good. People with less hardware and with less, I say, income and less heavy pockets will be able to buy it a bit cheaper than they were supposed to buy it, because I see my parents, like, they were saying about the gold, and like the amount of knowledge they have for gold is for sure. I don't hold such knowledge, I don't have my expertise in that thing. For sure, if I have to invest in gold and silver, I'll ask them first, because they know more than me based on that particular topic. But I'll say, if they have to invest, they should and they must at least come to me and at least, or guide me through some kind of questioning, asking me if if Bitcoin will rise more than gold. It is more than gold, but still, on an average ratio, will it go more or less? And I'll say yes, it will go more, because there is a fixed supply of BTC that gold cannot mimic this property, because gold can be found anywhere on earth. Suppose China goes to the gold mining, the gold rush, and found a mountain of gold. The prices of gold will surely, decrease, because there will be fluctuations in the net value of gold that is present on the earth. But this is not the case with the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, on the other hand, is kind of a fixed amount. So there are 21 million bitcoins, and there cannot be more than this. No one can create more bitcoin, they can just mine it. So you can say, on an easy note, there is a mountain on earth created of bitcoin instead of gold, and there will be no other mountain in the whole universe that will or can mimic the properties of bitcoin, because bitcoin is 21 million, and none of it can be recreated, or no one can you know edit the code, at least for now, even after the chip Willow that is created by Google. But even after that, no one can change the source code and just deep just dive into it and change the source code of having more than 21 million BTC. Satoshi Nakamoto have over 1 million BTC, and I guess BlackRock is the highest in this stockpiling thing. BlackRock holds more BTC than Satoshi Nakamoto, but it's equivalent to, like, take it as an example. BlackRock is a company, a firm that is a mixture of many people. And I'll say, take an imaginary firm and people who have invested in BTC. If you hold them together and do a three-way division, one is Satoshi, other one is BlackRock, and the third one is the one we created right now, the imaginary one. I'll say the imaginary one will be the highest, so it's not a big deal, although it's based on one guy, Michael Slayer, but not Michael Slayer, the BlackRock guy. But it's hard to it's hard to manipulate the price on that scale. You have to be filthy rich, and you have to hold all of your net worth into that particular coin to make it go crazy, like up or down, based on your choice. And it's not possible, I say. How do you see crypto being affected by current global financial policy or regulations? I'll say, when people choose their dictators and presidents and the one who rules over them, they must be lenient about it, and they must think what one person can do. If you grant such powers to one single person, there will be for sure inequality, and there must be an opposition. But in certain countries, the opposition is also bought by the main guy. So what's the point of it? The thing is, the current regulations are a bit lenient in major countries, USA and other countries, and many small countries, I'll say Bhutan and other mini countries like that, are also adapting the thing Bitcoin, and the tax rates are significantly lower at such places, because I think it's a good time to hold some of it, hold a good amount. I saw the Bhutan documentary. It was a video. It was, I'll say, phenomenal, the way they did it, the way they stockpiled it, and it's going good for them. They have 0% tax. Dubai, on the other hand, I'll say those guys are, I don't know. I don't know. I consider them from future, even if they are not. I'll say that they are, because they have a vision. They just acquire things. They had oil. Now they are major into crypto, and USA is following for sure after the Trump thing. It's good, I'll say, for the whole price thing and all. It's going good. I'll say it's good. I don't know about China, but like the France just did, I just read the news before starting this live, and you know, I don't know what's in their mind, but maybe some other day, some good politician will rule over them, and it'll be a good thing, because he might have that vision to generate profit out of, instead of blaming things to XYZ person, calling them a criminal. I don't know what that story is, but yeah, I'll say it's fine. It's fine. It's good that not many people are getting into it, and it's good that the right amount of people that were supposed to be into it are already into it. So the prices will go up. This is my vision for myself. I don't know how will the market react. I don't control it, but for now the conditions looks good. mm, just more questions, just wait for it. Okay, so the wars were going on, and what I think is Mr. Trump was trying to trying to stop and make some peace in this world, because Ukraine and Russia war was going on, and Iraq war was going on, which was directly affecting the prices of bitcoins and other stock markets, and it was just going like it was. I'll say it was a hell week or a hell month or a hell session, because it was just dipping. Uh, but for sure, there's no recession coming. I'll say Mr. Trump is an economist, and he know what he's doing. He even tried to stop the war with Russia and Ukraine, being being a negotiator, and I'll say he left it. Maybe there was some kind of news revolving on the web that he left that matter in their own hands, and for now the condition seems good. If FOMC that some kind of rate cuts, it'll be bullish for it, and I'll say it's good to see 7% of profit after an 80% of dip. It feels a bit light, and because I have 3 coins, and it's just dipping since I bought it. And whenever the news comes, a good news, it do pushes towards the you know a different direction. I'll just add more questions. Okay, the current one is a good question. What's your take on meme coins like Doge and Pepe? Legit or hype? I'll say the Doge, the amount of you know publicity the Doge have, and now they do have a DOGE department in the US governance. I know it don't like being a part of the main cryptocurrency, but still it boosts the price that are going good. As far as I remember of Pepe, it was, I'll say, it surged like maybe 12,000 1200% within I'll say 30 days, within a month. It was the coin that went best in front of my eyes. I'll say Pepe can and might have the chances to lose, but as an investor, I'm still hoping. It all ends based on the thing hoping it'll be worth something, holding Pepe, because the supply chain and the supply of this token is a bit lengthy, Dodge too, but it can result in fast transactions, and the more the supply will and the more the optimized blockchain is, it'll be great. So I'll say Dodge and Pepe, they both have a good kind of publicity that most of the coins lack. Even if they have a good, blockchain technology, they lack such publicity, and they most of the people who knows Bitcoin knows Ethereum, and then for sure they know the Dodge and Pepe, most of them. So I'll say, yeah, it's it's kind of legit thing for me. I'll Okay, what should beginners consider after investing in crypto? I have a very short question for a very short answer for this. I have a very short answer for this, and that is, do not buy high and sell low. This is the base. That this must be the principle. This must be the principle that you should invest on, and you must keep that in your mind, and you must not buy high and sell low. It will be a L, a big L in capital letters and bold letters, for you to do such things. Do not be such stupid, because I did it, and I know how I covered my losses in the beginning days. I never sold my bitcoins, but the other coins, I'll say, do not. Better do trading on your own risk instead of, holding it and then selling it low. No, trading is a different thing. Don't mismatch it with the stockpiling thing of a token, and the holding is a different thing, and you must hold it until it turns green, until you are in profit, and then it's fine. Even if you are selling in five $5 of profit or 5% of profit of your whole investment, it's a good thing instead of selling it minus 60 or minus 50% of loss, which I for sure did. That's why I'm telling you. So be aware. Many of the coins, yeah, this is the important thing. Many of the coins that gets listed on third-party apps, which the government promises that you must try the third-party apps and do the KYC for them, know your customer thing, for you to get extra, you know, facilities, and they don't do anything like that. They just text you and that's all. By my talk, you must be, you must have noticed that I am from a text-worked country. Yeah, yes, I am, for sure, for sure. So, hmm, so as I was saying, do not, because many of the coins get listed and then they get delist, and the prices comes down ASAP, and then there's no way for you to, you know, get out of that thing, because it'll be a loss. You can take it after a loss of 5% or 10% or 20, but just don't wait if it's dropping like shit. Because you must what you can do is you must chat GPT or try some other AI or use Google just for cross checking if that coin is getting delisted. And if it is true, if it's getting delisted, you must sell it ASAP. Sell it ASAP. If there is a coin that is getting delisted and it's everywhere on the news, you must sell it ASAP. Just sell it and go away from there. You must not even stop and breathe in that position where you are minus 15% in loss. So better be careful. What do you think long-term holding is better than Do you think long-term holding is better than active trading? This is kind of a tricky one because I have seen my partners and seen my friends, and yeah, it's just both same thing. I have seen them making X amount of money that I used to make in 1 month, and I have seen them losing it in 1 hour, what I have lost in maybe in a the amount of money that I have made in 1 month. They have lost it, and they have like created it again, and they have again lost it in 2, 3, 4 hours. So it's risky for me. I don't do it. No. I just have a team that they can do it for me, but I don't touch that thing because I believe in long-term investments and I hold it for a longer period of time. So it works for me. It's working well, and consistency is the key, I'll say, and also the patience factor. Yeah, that's for sure. What are some red flags to watch out for in new crypto projects? Let me tell you how to do it. Open YouTube, search for this term, how to do a rug pull. There will be at least 80 plus 800 plus videos that will appear. Watch them one by one. You will understand this. Even if I explain it to you, you will understand this after watching 2 or 3 of those videos. The best coin, I'll say, will surge, but at least if it's based on some kind of visible blockchain which is pseudonymous, you must check the amount of holdings one wallet holds, so that you can determine if it's a fake and it won't be you know able to get rug pull. And yeah, you must check it out, because many projects on Solana token using that website, name of it was pump.fun. Yeah, it killed many people. I'll say it killed souls of many people, because they did. One of my friend, the day I was explaining it to him, the next day what he did was ignored my advice. What he did was he took his, I don't know, it was around 70 million, and he put all in. You know what he do now? He he just went back to the company, his father's company that he left uh, it for the whole time crypto thing projects, and he's working there now. I tried helping him because I'm a great guy. I'm a you know light soul and kind soul, but still, why would you do such stupidity? Why? Why would you put your generational income into a shit project and then get rug pull, instead of checking if Like instead of pre-checking before you invest in it, checking that not 1% or 2 or 3% or a single wallet contains many transactions based on that particular coin. So, that's a thing, I'll say. I'll just add more questions. Can you explain what DeFi is and how it's different from traditional finance? Okay, so the information that I hold about DeFi is limited, so you may better check it after I, give answer to it. DeFi is kind of a coin. It take it as a financial institution that financial firm. Wait a minute, noises in background really pisses me off. So take it as a financial firm that acquire people and acquire they just acquire coins, and once they searches the holders, like suppose you invested in DeFi and you bought some coins of them. What they will do is they'll take your money and invest it for you, like invest yours money to some other project like Bitcoin they did last year maybe, and they made a good amount of profit percentage after like they invested in Bitcoin last year, and it went just sky high, and all of them made money. The investors that invested in DeFi made money because DeFi itself did an investment from your cash, and they created a good wealth. So I hold DeFi, no doubt. I hold it. I hold a good quantity of it. It's much cheaper for now for you to buy. You should buy it, I'll say. Again, it's not an advice. You must do it on yours, but I'm just saying, not even suggesting, I'm just saying it. And the smarter will be those who will just grab the information from because information is everywhere, and they must learn how to grab information from the air. So it is what it is. If you have to be a slow turtle, you may be. You have to be a rabbit, you must be a rabbit. So on you. What's the role of NFTs now that the hype has died down? NFTs. Well, if if you would have asked me about the NFT thing maybe a year ago, I would have said it's a scam because it went 100 to 0, and the amount of tweets I was reading about NFTs and the amount of news articles that I was reading about NFT were significantly higher as compared to now, because NFT seems to be dead now. I'll say once big companies, I'll say Meta and other companies, AI companies, because the revolution is about to happen, the AI revolution, and once they get in and started making making their own virtual things, virtual world, the NFT will get for sure revived, and then it will be a everyday news, because when it's all about hype actually. So the thing is, when NFT came into existence, many people took it like an advantage of investing in it earlier. I have seen NFTs getting sold out of $30 million for sure, and up to $200 million. There was an NFT It was, I don't know, if you are familiar with NFT, you might have heard of this chimp. Maybe it was kind of a chimp art that went super viral. It was, it'll be better if you'll. I'll suggest. No, I'll just say. I won't suggest. I don't suggest anything. No, it'll be better for you to try creating such environment which can sell NFTs, because it'll be a boom again, like the .com thing, but it won't just stop. It'll just keep going on, because it's a thing in coming future. And billionaires still use the paintings to transact, and I'll say NFT will make it a bit more safer, for the transactions. Now I won't dive into details because of some security things, but you may give it a shot. The question, maybe I have skipped 10th. No, I didn't. Can you explain me Defi and how the different? Nope. Nope. There you go. 12th. I skipped 12th. Fine. If you had $1,000 to invest in crypto today, how would you split it? $1,000 is a good amount to start, but still I'll say you can just buy out small chunks of crypto. The good ones I would have bought is on the analysis, on my personal analysis, and based on the current time of analysis, I'm saying this, so be aware of where you invest your money in. I'll say there's a coin named the Chill Guy. It is, it went to zero and it's currently rising. I'll say Ethereum could be a good choice, but for that, I'll say you have to have a good amount of money, at least, 100,000 thing. So then you can invest in such things. Those are bigger projects, but still, if you have such money, you can definitely try buying Ethereum. Other than that, you must try Dodge. You must try the coin Pepe for not Pepe, Defi. You must try Pepe for some reason, because I have a good feel that it'll go up. The coin Defi will definitely do its thing. So I'll say Defi will be a good and a great choice. If I would have $1,000 today, I would have got all into Defi for sure, because it's undervalued and it would be doing a good job in coming future. Just in case it didn't got delisted from the app. So yeah, I'll say I would have got either all into Defi or in chunks that I told the name of. So yeah, that's all for now. If I had this option to save this live, I'll just save it on. The last question, the leftover one. Which blockchain tech are you most excited about right now? Right now, this could be a tricky question because it will then reveal what I'm working on, and it will be kind of a mess for me. So I'll say the second best. I won't say the first best, but I'll say the second best. And it will be There's a news coming based on Ethereum that they are going to develop their blockchain a bit more sophisticated. So I'll say that, but if it's not the case, then I'll say Solana will do. Solana is a good blockchain, and the blockchain Bitcoin is a great blockchain because I was trying to study about it, and it's superb. It can do just everything that a blockchain must. Not everything, but the major good things. So there you go. I'm glad I did this live stream today, and meet you tomorrow if this one got some kind of response from XYZ people, because I want to create a group. To be clear, I want people, the crypto guys, to come together to form something good. Have a great day. Keep investing. Keep making good profits. Keep your family happy for sure. Okay, bye.